studio, what is your message to mothers now? Kasi they relate to you so much, di ba?
Siguro, it's really more of you just keep doing what you love and make sure if you have business, just keep on pushing on your business dreams and goals in life. Sometimes it's really tiring because I've said earlier, it requires a lot of sacrifice. So if you're tired, you just need to take a pause or break but never give up on your business dreams and goals in life. So yun talaga. And again, I'm encouraging them also to explore live commerce because anyone naman can actually do live selling it. So you just need the right tools, right information to be able, to set up your own live selling. So I encourage them, if they want passive income or extra earning, they can do live commerce as well because live commerce is really the fast-selling digital commerce globally.
But as you said, it's not as simple as it is anymore,
Yes.
no? But can, moms who just have, parang small products, can they actually seek your, not support, but actually, sign up with your studio? Would that be very expensive for them?
I would honestly say yes. So I would rather recommend doing an alternative of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you affiliate certain products, for example, on TikTok or on Shopee. You just take a video of the products. Actually, my PA, Annie here, she also does affiliate marketing. Tinuruan ko lahat sila and they're earning. So you don't need to shell out capital, a lot of capital or money. You just need to take videos of the products, put a link, and it's a shared or split commission already. So the the affiliate marketing, so meron kang brand at saka yung mismo nag-affiliate, split commission na po sila. So you don't need to shell out money. You just